Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best blenders in market. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Number 1. The original NutriBullet Nutrient Extractor Blender. If you're looking for something distinctly more affordable or that will take up less counter or cabinet space, several experts raved about the NutriBullet. The machine comes with 2 cup sizes, 24 and 18 ounces. Both work for single portion smoothies, of course, which conveniently you can detach from the bottom of the unit and take to go, as well as dressings and smaller volume sauces. Bacon is a fan calling it the mightiest little blender. Caitlin Sullivan, co-founder of Los Angeles restaurant Honey High, agrees, saying, "It's affordable, so compact and easy to clean, but it still has great blending ability. Meet the original NutriBullet, our compact yet powerful personal blender. You choose what goes in to get the most out of every ingredient every day with NutriBullet. Healthier living is super simple. The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries, and spinach, then push, twist, and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Hassle-free cleaning, simply twist off." Number 2. KitchenAid K400 3-speed ice crushing blender. Not everyone wants to spend $200, let alone over $400 on a blender. If you want a blender for whipping up the occasional sauce or smoothie, the KitchenAid K400 3-speed ice crushing blender is the best model available for around $100 with a 48-ounce jar and a low profile. The K450 is the smallest blender we recommend in this guide. It produced coarser textures than any of our other picks did, and its motor isn't nearly as powerful, so it's more likely to burn out if overtaxed. Another compromise you make for the price is in the warranty, is unlike our other picks. The KitchenAid is covered for only 1 year, but it's a good all-purpose blender that's small enough to fit on the counter under most kitchen cabinets. Crush ice in less than 10 seconds. Star discover a world of new tastes and healthy possibilities with the perfect ice crushing blender for your best tasting smoothie. This blender features an optimally designed ice crush setting, or choose any one of the 3-speed options for your perfect blend, no matter the ingredients. Number 3. Ninja SS101 Foodie Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor. If you prefer to be able to choose between a personal smoothie and the smoothie bowl, then the Foodie Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor is a great pick. This personal blender's jar features a built-in tamper and doesn't need as much liquid to blend ingredients to a smooth, very thick consistency, perfect for a smoothie bowl. In our tests, this model tackled both green and berry smoothies with ease, with very few residual seeds and super smooth results. This model also suctions firmly to your counter, which keeps it completely in place for its pulse-style auto smoothie setting, in addition to the 14-ounce smoothie bowl jar. This model comes with 2 24-ounce blender jars with travel lids, which are all dishwasher safe. If you want the option to switch between personal smoothies and blending up party-sized batches of frozen margaritas, then the Foodie Power Blender and Processor System is another great pick from the Ninja Foodie line. And our tests, the blender produced smooth at number 4, the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yielded a smooth and creamy texture with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button, which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup to a silky smooth texture and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces and became stained a little from tomato sauce. Number 4. If unscrew the cup from the blade, instead got kitchen ambitions, the NutriBullet Combo Blender is our one. Number 1. The 310 Explorian Blender. There's nothing the showpiece Vitamix can't do when it comes to blending, pureeing, and grinding ingredients with pro-quality precision and control. It can make everything from silky smooth green smooths to creamy soup and more. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speed settings, and its heavy-duty base won't easily shift on the counter. When in use, the controls are intuitive and fuss-free, and this machine excelled in every one of our kitchen appliances lab tests, easily grinding coffee beans and whirling up milkshakes and silky smooth margaritas in seconds. It's an investment, but you won't find a better performing, more durable pick. It's a fraction of the cost of other Vitamix models. One note is that the carafe is on the small side at just 6 cups, in need of a blender with a larger tariff. The Vitamix Ascent blender also performed exceptionally well at grinding nut butter and blending milkshakes and smoothies. It has a 64-ounce jar, one of the largest we evaluated, which means it's perfect for big batches. We found the touchscreen controls easy to use. The jar fits on the base nicely, and the see-through plastic lid comes on and off effort. Number 5. Vitamix 520. In our tests from 2012 to now, Vitamix blenders have always performed the best overall. The classic Vitamix 520 is the only one we've tried that can make creamy peanut butter and puree hearty soup without spewing molten liquid up the sides of the jar. It doesn't have any preset buttons, but it does offer the widest range of speeds, far wider than on the copperly priced BlendTech Designer 675 of any blender. We've tested it's a favorite in many if not most professional kitchens and juice bars. We've also found the Vitamix E310 to be one of the most reliable and durable blenders. We've tested, and if the motor burns out within the 7-year warranty period, Vitamix will promptly replace the machine. You'll also find us in home kitchens around the world, because whether you're interested in the culinary arts, making healthier choices, or enjoying restaurant quality smoothies at home, when you're ready to move on and move up when you're ready. Thanks for watching.